Hi everyone, I'm Poonam Dufa, the founder of Yes Mate. I'm super excited to be facilitating a workshop on how to cultivate self-compassion in partnership with SikhNet. Imagine if we were all more accepting of our strengths, our weaknesses in the process of growth. Imagine if we gave ourselves the same level of love and kindness that we actually give to everyone so freely. In this workshop, we're going to be exploring how self-compassion motivates us to soothe, comfort, and nourish ourselves while we're suffering, while we're in pain. We're going to be looking at how to reframe our mindset from self-critical and negative thoughts to positive, open, and compassionate thoughts. We're going to be looking at the type of language that we use towards ourselves while we're suffering or in pain, and how we can reframe our language to be more kinder and loving. We're going to end the workshop with a loving kindness meditation by, first of all, repeating phrases of love and kindness towards ourselves first. And then we'll bring to mind somebody who we deeply love and care for, and then somebody perhaps who is struggling mentally, physically, financially, or spiritually. I encourage you to come with an open heart, open mind, bring a candle, a notepad, and bring your whole self. And I look forward to seeing you very soon. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.